Hi, I'm Paul. As an American and a programmer, I can't think of a better way to spend 4th of July weekend than doing easy Leetcode challenges. This one is called Roman to integer, and it is rated easy. And in fact, it is pretty easy. Um, you know, it's easy because Roman numerals, and they go into a lot of detail about Roman numerals here that you can read if you're not familiar with Roman numerals, but the Roman numeral symbols have a one-to-one matchup with integers. So I is 1, B is 5, X is 10, and so on, up to M is 1,000. Now, the one thing that we got to be careful of here is that Roman numerals don't allow 4 of the same symbol in a row. So, for example, if you wanted to write 40, you can't write X, 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 X. You have to write it as X, L, 10 subtracted from 50. So as we go through the string, each time we look at a character, we want to look ahead one character and make sure that that character is less than or equal to the current character. And if it is, we just do the conversion and move on. If the next symbol is greater than the current symbol, that means like IV, for example, for 4, then that means we have to treat those two symbols as a unit and convert accordingly. All right, scroll down, see if there's any constraints that we need to think about. 15 characters, the limit on the length. It's guaranteed that the string will be valid. Topics are interesting sometimes. Hash table, math, string. Okay, I wasn't planning to do a hash table, but now I feel like I need to do a hash table so that nobody feels shortchanged. So we will do a. So okay, well we'll do a hash table. There's nothing else. There's nothing else I can think of to say about this. So let's go ahead and code it up. All right, I put the hash table in already. It's not the most interesting thing to watch somebody code it up, but we've got a hash table here. I mean, I was just going to do a function with maybe a case statement or something, but okay, here we've got a hash table. Key value pairs, character, integers. So we map the Roman numeral character to the appropriate integer. Load the table. And we're going to need a value here, or a variable to keep track of the running total as we go through the string. And we can do a for loop through the string. Int I equals 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus. Int s1 equals numbers dot get s dot char at I. And I think Java will do the unboxing there. I mean, the hash map is defined with objects, but I think Java will convert the number or unbox the number from an object into an int. So I think we should be okay with that. Next thing we want to do is we want to take a peek at the next symbol, but before we do that, we want to make sure that we're not at the end of we're not at the last character of the string. So if it's not str, s dot length, it's less than s dot length, then, well, it's going to be very much like this. So I'm going to copy that. paste it here, and we'll say S2 equals numbers get S char at I plus 1. All right. So now we got two characters we can look at. And if S1 is greater than or equal to S2, then we can just proceed as planned. Total plus equals S1. All right. Else. Otherwise, we've got two characters, and we got to treat it as a unit, like again, I, B. So, total, we'll increment it by S2 minus S1. And we've got to do something here that, normally is not recommended. But, well, it's a holiday weekend, so let's just go ahead and do it anyway. We've got to skip the next character. Okay? If it's IV, we looked at it and we're going to use it and skip it. So we got to do an extra increment on I to skip the character. All right. I, and that's the if, and then we need another else here. If I plus 1, okay, right. If this is the last character in the string, then we'll just add it. Just add it to total. All right. When we get through the whole for loop, we can return total. Okay. Let's try it. Compile error. Can't find hash table. I thought those were imported automatically, but maybe not. Let's see if this solves the problem. Import java.util.*. So that's where the hash table lives. Okay, well, the red line went away. Let's try it again. Accepted on the basic case. Let's go ahead and submit. And what did we get? Let me move this back over. Accepted. That's the memory usage. Okay, a little greedy there. Runtime. Oh, that's the runtime. Where's the memory? Oh, gosh. Well, the important thing is it's accepted. That's what shows up in the scoreboard. Okay. That's it. Feel free to like, subscribe, and see you next time.